Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. To my lecturer, Miss Juliana binti Arifin. My name is Muhammad Haris Hakimi bin Muhammad Zuki, and my fellow friend is Muhammad Hadif Hazan bin Muhammad Yazid and Muhammad Amin Haikal bin Syamsuddin. Today we are going to share our slide, which is vector and scalar. What is scalar and vector? These two categories can be distinguished from one another by their distinct definitions. So scalar are quantities that are fully described by a magnitude, for example gravity. For vector are quantities that are fully described by both a magnitude and a direction, for example mass. This is scalar quantities and vector quantities. Distance, speed, mass, energy and others are quantities for scalar. Displacement, velocity, weight and acceleration and others are quantity for vectors. Why are scalar and vector is important? Scalar and vector are important in many fields of math and science. Vector can be defined in two dimensions for three-dimensional space. Vector graphics are sometimes used in computer because it can be scaled to a large size without losing any image quality.
Application of scalar and vector in engineering. Vectors are used in engineering mechanics to represent quantities that have both a magnitude and direction. Many engineering quantities such as force, displacement, velocities and acceleration will need to be represented as vector for analysis. What are vectors in engineering? A vector is a mathematical object that mass, magnitude and direction and satisfies the law of vector addition. Vectors are used to represent physical quantities that have a magnitude and direction. For example, the velocity of an object is a vector. What is scalar and vector in engineering? Engineering mechanics, scalar are quantities that have magnitude only. They are independent of direction. Vectors have both magnitude and direction. The length of a vector represents magnitude. The arrows show direction.
Example calculation for vector and scalar. The resulting displacement vector PQ is called the sum of PR and RQ. PQ equal PR plus RQ, bracket 2A plus 3B plus bracket 5A minus 2B. 2A plus 3B plus 5A minus 2B. 2A plus 5A plus 3B minus 2B, and the answer is equal 2A plus 3B. Conclusion for vector and scalar. The vector quantities is physical quantities which needs both magnitude and direction to define it. Scalar quantities explain one-dimensional quantities. Besides, multidimensional quantities are explained by vector quantities. Scalar quantities change only when there is a change in their magnitude. That's all from us today. I hope you understand well. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.